Unpack, set up, and install the HP LaserJet Pro and Color LaserJet Pro M300 and M400 printers. Open the printer box, and then remove all printer documentation, including the Getting Started guide and the setup poster. Remove the printer power cord, set it aside, and then remove the cardboard. Set the box on its side, and then use the plastic to pull the printer out of the box. Remove the styrofoam end caps from the sides of the printer. Remove the orange tape from the plastic bag, and then remove the printer from the bag. Remove all packing materials from around the printer. Slide out tray 2. Remove it from the printer, and then slide out the paper length and width guides. Load a stack of plain white paper into the input tray and adjust the guides so they rest on the edge of the paper stack. Reinstall tray 2 back into the printer. Connect the power cord to the rear of the printer and the other end to a wall outlet. To use the job storage feature, insert a USB flash drive into the rear USB port. Press the power button to turn on the printer. On the printer control panel, select and confirm your language. Select and confirm your country or region. Select and confirm how you want to manage your printer. Select if you want to allow HP to collect your printer data, and then set the printer location. On your computer or mobile device, go to 123.hp.com/LaserJet and follow the prompts to get the software for your operating system.